2014 Mercedes E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, CD changer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, front floor mats, premium sound system, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.